everybody and good evening, and tonight I'm going to be reading you Nature's Transition on a website called www.honeybee.net. So make sure you check it out on Google, and they're also on Instagram, and I hope you're enjoying your lovely day so far. So let's get moving. Colourful leaves were swept off the trees. Whoosh, whoosh, autumn was dismissed, despite its pleas. Swoosh, swoosh, grasses, bees and bears all went to sleep. Z, 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 Z. Before snow would arrive very, very deep. Z, 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 Z. Cooler and cooler it got day by day. Brr, brr, coats, gloves and hats were needed to play. Brr, brr, fireplaces were lit and Yuletide came. Ho, 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 hot chocolate and gingerbread regained their fame. Now snow covers all under the boots, it squeaks. Creak, creak, frost paints the windows white and freezes up the creak, creak, creak. When the time comes, the snow will slowly melt away. Slush, slush, clouds will lift with a sprinkle, letting through sun rays. Flash, flash. Rain will clean the world, announcing spring's arrival. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. To welcome Lady Spring with her to courage and nature's revival. Chitter, chatter, chitter, chatter. Green twigs and leaves, then flower buds will appear to sight. Whoopee to dancing butterflies, bees and caterpillars, delight. Squee. The end. I hope you enjoyed that lovely story called Nature's Transition on this website called www.honeybee.net, and it's a lovely website. There's all different stories on it, and like picnic and everything. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of your lovely night, and I guess I will see you all tomorrow for day 148 of Reese's Stories. Bye.